All right, let's see if Dynamat really does make a difference. Obviously without it, oh shit, in the process of cleaning, left that holder. You're asking why I don't have a damn top panel right now? I'll be getting some speakers right here. I got Arnold's, 4 Arnold's in the back, just the regular ones. And in the front, we got another Arnold's Neos, the 300 watts. I'll be showing you a little update when I get this truck completed. But for now, let's put some of that shit on. All right, y'all. Got the first sheet. Shit, you ask me, works pretty good. There's the brand if you want another brand. All right, time to wrap up all this. I had this brand before, Memphis, but I don't know what happened. I guess it wasn't sticky enough or something, and it fell off. But all right, now time to do all this shit. All right, I cut what I think is the same size. Ready? All right, section 2. Looking good, looking good. It's hard to get these ripples out, but damn, look at that. It's looking good, man. Shit, boy. And that's job done right there. Got what I could. Soon I'm gonna do the back wall. Can't see it, but I'm gonna do this to the inside. I'm gonna try to get the doors, basically everything. But let me see. Solid, it's solid, man. Hell yeah. Man, fuck out the way. Shit. All right.